Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by mounting and balancing, so the gimbal does the work for you. Center the phone left-right and tighten the clamp just enough to hold it. Once done, slide the phone forward or backward until the body stays level when the gimbal is off, because a per-balance setup reduces motor strain and stabilizes footage. Make sure the battery has at least half charge and the DJI app is installed. This avoids startup interruptions and ensures firmware pairing goes smoothly. You now power up and calibrate to align sensors and software. Follow DJI's power sequence and watch the motors spin to confirm readiness. Next, open the app and run the auto-calibration routine. This maps sensors and corrects drift, because precise calibration yields smoother tracking. Then choose your shooting mode. Lock for fixed framing, follow for smooth pans, or FPV for immersive motion. Make small joystick inputs to confirm pan and tilt response. You finish by framing and recording. Enable horizon lock or tripod mode for static, cinematic shots, or switch on active track to follow a subject automatically, because choosing the right mode makes framing predictable. While shooting, keep an eye on battery percentage and temperature alerts so you can switch to power save or land safely. If the gimbal drifts or vibrates, stop recording, rebalance the phone, run calibration again, and check for firmware updates. This single troubleshooting tip resolves most stability issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.